Coming up on The Knot, TikTok star Justina Sharp and her fiancé Jordan break a sweat when they see just how much goes into a wedding table setting.
Not quite sure what I'm doing.
And why hiring a pro is a must.
So tell me the thought process.
My thought process was stress.
Excellent.
This is easier wed than done with The Knot. Your task is a tough one. Can you set a beautiful wedding reception table with the items laid out before you? And don't forget the paper products. I did not pick the right shoes for running.
Ready, set, go.
I'll give you a head start. You're gonna need it.
Oh my God.
All right, so while you guys are running around, I'm going to ask you some questions. First up, how long do freshly cut flowers last?
4 hours.
And how about dried flowers?
Forever?
When should your first appointment with a florist be?
Early in the process because a florist is hard to find, so a year out? Any thoughts on that, Jordan?
Oh, I'm gonna be honest, I was so focused. What was the question again? 7 to 9 months.
It's 9 to 11 months.
I said 9. She didn't say either, so.
You're gonna throw me under the bus.
I saw this at a breakfast earlier where they put the little spoon on top of it. I don't know.
I love this suite. This is so pretty. I feel like it has a really classy, elegant energy while still being fun because it does have the floral print on it. And I think that everything should have color. So I love that it adds that pop of color without being like too bright or a little too loud for the rest of the setting.
Another question, how many months in advance of your wedding should you book rentals?
Earlier than we did it.
Yeah, 6 months?
I'm gonna say 9 months.
8 months? Does that look good? Looking like a lot here and then a little white space right there. That's kind of nice, right?
Whatever you gotta say, babe.
Let's just add a little greenery and we'll call it.
To be clear, I am not a professional and I would not pay myself for this floral arrangement.
Oh, I forgot the candle.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Come on, light.
1.
That was the most intense thing I've done.
I didn't light my candle. Ridiculous.
So I win, right? Because of that?
No!
And now we're going to have a wedding pro come in and judge you on who did the best tablescape.
Should we like not stand at our things so she
Yeah,
doesn't
so she doesn't know who's who. I think she's gonna know. I think she's gonna know.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm Terica.
I'm Justina.
I'm Jordan.
You only had 10 minutes to pull this together.
Very short 10 minutes.
Honestly, did not feel like 10 minutes.
Really?
I think that timer was fast.
They set y'all up, didn't they? A little bit. And I am supposed to guess. This is you.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I thought it was gonna be harder than that.
No, love. Let me tell you why. The detail in the napkin, and that's so nicely placed, but the napkin's a little bit wide. But it's gorgeous. Okay, so tell me the thought process behind where you were going with the flowers, both of you.
My thought process was stress. I was
Excellent.
Yeah,
Outstanding.
didn't realize what I was doing, and then I kind of was like, how am I gonna fill up all this space? I kind of liked at the end, I had this little space here to put my table card on, kind of like that, so
Okay.
that happened there.
So moving on. I designed the entire table setting around the suite. So the table card, the menu, the nameplate. So I went with the colors because actually purple is not present in the cards, but I thought it tied in really well with the greens and the roses and the pinks.
What happened to your candle?
The candle did not get lit. My thought being, we don't want to light it until right before people are eating, because otherwise the candle will melt down.
Fun fact, your candle will last you approximately 6 hours.
Will it?
So we can start lighting
We can start
your
lighting
candles.
early.
I was trying to take anything but a loss here. That's really what it
No,
was.
you have some amazing wins because one, I really love the color of the linen. I love the size of the linen. I love the fact that the candle is lit, and I love the slope of the centerpiece. So technically,
You can just say it.
I'm giving it to Jordan. But
That feels like a sympathy thing. So I'm taking
I think this is a crime.
this is love. This is love. The ultimate story is yes, you both won because you have each other. You are both definitely winners, but it's been amazing to spend this time with you. I've had so much fun. This has been great.
Thank you so much for watching, and for more episodes, check out The Knot.